Sharp. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, good morning. Anyways, today I'm planning on installing my weave for the very first time. Yeah.
Nice area.
Yeah, we did that. It's been probably 6 weeks now and my hair is growing back. I am going somewhere this Saturday, so I want to look nice. And for me to look nice, I wanna wear a weave. Not like I don't like my short hair. I do, I love it so much. I think I look cute. And my hair is growing. And it will really be my very first time installing a weave. But I'm a hairstylist, so what could go wrong, right? Okay, let's install the hair. I'm gonna show you guys what I have. And then I will probably do a transition because I don't think I'm gonna install it on the camera. I mean, for the first time installing a hair on a camera. Child. But should I do that though? Child. I'm so excited. Okay, it's so cold. Let's do this. How much I miss you. Time is money. Na, 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 I'll be right back. Okay, I think it's much better now. But the top part here, I didn't spray it, so does it match? It will match. I just have to like wait for her to dry up and then, yeah. That was very fast and better than and better than waiting. Okay, let's put you on, child. Hey, yo, oh my goodness. Oh, this is kind of funny. The amount of times I've placed, the amount of time. Anyways, I don't feel like speaking. I have the smallest head. Kore, you can even see the laces at the back of my... Anyway, I don't know. Maybe this is how it's supposed to be. Oh, this side, but it's a bit wrong. I'll use the bag to guide me. I'm gonna use the bag to guide me. So we are here, manj. Must be really. Yo, hey, Ishi, this is so funny. Hey, yo, I'm afraid to. What is this, man? Anyway, let's do this. Okay. By the way, this is a glueless weave. What's happening here? This is a glueless weave, so, but I'm gonna apply glue. Is this my hair? Mirilona, goreng thomamo. Yo, miraga. Okay. Thank you, manje. Is it sitting properly, guys? Nyabuza mina. I'm not fighting. Anyways, let's get straight into this one. Okay. Sila manje. What next? I think it's okay, Ramo. Cause what the heck? What do you mean? This has to go behind my bag, right? Let me try to tighten it. Stop laughing, girl. Let's be serious, okay? Serious mode on. Yeah. Yo, I'll do this off camera. Oh my goodness. The girlies are making this look so easy, but it's not easy. The problem with this weave is, or is it my hair? I don't know. Like, when Zagalanila, must I cut it here? But if I cut it there, it's gonna push my ear to stand out like this, you know? Because there's a lace thingy here or whatever. But I will figure it out because I'm that girl. I need to challenge me. It's a challenge. Anyways, let's get into this. I think I managed to put it fine. Let's take the baby back. I'm gonna use acetone. I don't have alcohol. What is the white things? Is it tissue? Azishi. Then that's too much. You see, this is how my hairline is going, my natural hairline. It's a bit curved. Guys. I'm kidding. Oh my gosh. Why it dry fast? Or is this how it must be? So Konjela Sienzani, what do we do here? Do I just put it like this or like that? Just get some moyona. What must I do? Am I ruining my weave because this weave is glueless and I'm using glue on it? Am I damaging the weave, the lace? Will this be a problem? not rush and take my time. Uyabona? Do you see? Do you see? Oh my god. I'm just gonna go. Sissy ready manje. Ozala. Why are you stiff? Oh my god. I think if I start here, it's gonna be just and then go on the sides. This side. I'm just seeing Zani manje. Do this. Yo, Madimpo, why is my skin wrinkly here? My face. Why is my face wrinkly? It's because you don't have a forehead. That's why your face is wrinkled. You literally do not have a forehead. That's why your forehead is so wrinkly. No, I have to be careful before I place this thing because he might get trapped. Okay, I'm gonna wait. Maybe I'll try to style it, but I'm gonna wait now. Okay, it has been 10 minutes and my head is starting to get hurt. I'm gonna remove it and see what was happening here. Is this okay? Now what? Okay. Let's just put this so that my hair doesn't disturb me. Let's try to cut it because it's okay. I feel like this lace is on my forehead, like straight on my forehead. I don't know, we'll see. Let me continue this and I'll see you guys. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Hey. Mara nakar.
Victoria Station.
For 1.5 kilometers.
It's like